With the AI market almost entirely controlled by Nvidia, AMD is rising to the challenge. Known for its supremacy in GPU technology, Nvidia's hegemony has been strengthened by PyTorch's increasing traction and its proprietary CUDA software, which accounts for 92% of AI models. But with Microsoft's support and its alliance with PyTorch, AMD is ready to upend the current quo. AMD and other suppliers are starting to plow their way into Nvidia's stronghold thanks to PyTorch's support for AMD GPUs and ability to shield users from the underlying GPU architecture. AMD's newest weapon, the Instinct MI300A processor, is expected to take on Nvidia's superchip, the Grace Hopper. Hello and thanks for tuning in. Before we go any further, please take a moment to support us by liking this video. Subscribe and activate the bell notification feature so you'd always know when we put out new videos. And remember, sharing is caring. Okay, let's get back to it. Nvidia clearly has a stranglehold in the field of AI. Because of a well-designed Nvidia software moat that surrounds its hardware, Nvidia is practically synonymous with GPU. This moat is based on resources such as Nvidia's CUDA API, which enables programmers to use a GPU with CUDA support for general-purpose computing. The emergence of PyTorch, an open-source machine learning framework that has become the standard for Gen AI and is responsible for an astounding 92% of available models, has contributed to the popularity of CUDA. With a startling market share of more than 95% in the data center GPU industry, Nvidia continues to demonstrate its domination in this space. The DGX H100 system, which features 8 Hopper H100 data center CPUs with a staggering 4,000 teraflops of computational capability, is Nvidia's most recent release and is now shipping worldwide. These technologies are being implemented in a number of sectors, including banking and healthcare, which further solidifies Nvidia's unmatched impact in AI. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, introduced its new accelerator chips at an event in California. The company claims that these processors can run AI software more quickly than competing goods. After the business unveiled its MI300 chip, CEO Su made an incredible prediction about the size of the AI chip market, estimating that it may reach over $400 billion in the next 4 years, more than quadruple the estimate the company had made in August. With the release of its new MI300 chip, AMD is now in a race with Nvidia to see who can produce the fastest AI accelerator chip. By flooding AI models with data, which they can do more quickly than conventional computer processors, these chips aid in the development of AI models. AMD hopes to attract some of the largest names in technology with its MI300 chip portfolio, which might result in the business receiving billions of dollars in funding. Despite the fact that Nvidia appears to be in an unbeatable lead, AMD has been quietly making progress with their products. The company has developed the HIP CUDA conversion tool, and it is believed that its next central processing unit, the Instinct MI300A, will be a powerful competitor to the superchip that Nvidia has developed. AMD's goal is to establish itself as the industry leader in inference solutions with the help of this central processing unit. With Gen AI, inference is a vital process that requires rapid computation in order to be completed. AMD has been given support from Microsoft, a significant participant in the technology business, as well as a partnership with PyTorch has been established. In its capacity as a founding member and governing board representative of the PyTorch Foundation, AMD has upgraded the ROCm open software ecosystem. This update provides dependable support for Radeon GPUs and AMD Instinct accelerators within PyTorch. As an alternative to CUDA, ROCm is present. As a result of this collaboration, artificial intelligence models have become more scalable and have improved performance. This has made it possible for developers to design AI solutions by utilizing ROCm software and AMD GPU accelerators. AMD is hoping to gain a competitive advantage with its new MI300 chip in the field of AI chatbots, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT, which use enormous language AI models. These models demand a substantial amount of computer memory. The memory capacity of the MI300 chip is around 150 billion transistors, which is 2.4 times greater than that of the H100 processor that Nvidia offers. A significant improvement in performance is brought about by its 1.6 times larger RAM and 1.6 times quicker bandwidth. According to AMD CEO Su, the new MI300 processor is capable of training artificial intelligence software in the same way that Nvidia's H100 chip is, but it is substantially more accomplished at inference, which is the process of running that program once it is ready to be used in applications that are used in the real world. Nvidia is developing its very own accelerator chips for the next generation in order to ensure that it does not fall behind. The new H200 chip will take the place of the H100 chip sometime in the first half of the next year. In at least some respects, the H200 should be able to match the capabilities that the MI300 chip from AMD should give. It is predicted that Nvidia will launch an entirely new central processing unit design later on in the year. According to projections provided by IDC, the collective revenue generated by the chip industry in 2022 was $597 billion. AMD's prediction that the market for artificial intelligence chips alone will reach $400 billion in 4 years is illustrative of the uncontrolled optimism that exists throughout the artificial intelligence industry. In August, AMD made a prediction that the market for artificial intelligence accelerators will only be worth $150 billion by the year 2027. The question that has to be answered is how long it will take AMD to capture a larger portion of the market. The overall revenues of AMD are expected to hit $26.5 billion, according to analysts. In 2024, AMD anticipates that its revenue from accelerators would reach a total of more than $2 billion. The newly released MI300 processor from AMD is a key milestone in the company's AI journey, cementing its role as the leading Gen AI alternative, as stated by T.D. Cohen. Microsoft and AMD have formed a strategic alliance, and because of Microsoft's cooperation with AMD, it appears that the company is making a strategic move to acquire additional AI-capable components and to pose a challenge to Nvidia's dominant position in the artificial intelligence chip market. The companies are working on the Athena chip, which is a homegrown Microsoft processor geared for artificial intelligence tasks. This is part of a multi-pronged strategy to undermine the hegemonic position held by Nvidia. The graphics processing units manufactured by AMD are not as widely used as those manufactured by Nvidia. Nonetheless, the technical resources and support offered by Microsoft could assist AMD's products in performing better in artificial intelligence jobs. The market for hardware that accelerates artificial intelligence may become more competitive as a result of this agreement, which may result in a reduction in the costs that Microsoft incurs for its servers. AMD has the potential to bring about significant change in the artificial intelligence market. According to new benchmarks, the GPU manufactured by Nvidia, the A100, and the GPU manufactured by AMD, the MI250, could be in competition with one another for the training of large language models, or LLM. The former is almost 80% faster than the latter. In the subsequent round of competition, it is likely that the next AMD MI300 and the Nvidia H100 will compete against one another. It is feasible that the H100's transformer engine and the possibility of support for additional HBM will be able to counteract the higher memory capacity and bandwidth of the MI300. The architectural decisions made for AMD's next CPUs and their strategic alliances have the potential to challenge Nvidia's stranglehold in the AI market. Though the AI market is still in its infancy, performance, mobility, and availability will be key factors in determining hardware success. And that concludes today's video. Do let us know what you think about today's discussion in the comments section below. And you can support this channel by liking this video. Subscribe and activate the bell notification feature so you'd always know when we put out new content. And remember, sharing is caring. Take care and see you in the next video.